The year is 2025 and technology isn't just advancing, it's sprinting. Now, AI like OpenAI can analyze charts in seconds, combine fundamentals, extract key insight from news, and also predict volatility for the next few minutes. But it's not all smooth sailing because full control of AI comes with serious risks. Today, I will show you how AI can be your ally and how it can also turn into a black box with a drain all button. Plus, I'll reveal how you can trade with AI smartly, smart enough to make actual money. Coming up are real example, life cases, and what AI will be in a couple of years. So don't go anywhere. Buckle up. If you've never seen anything like this, let's dive right in. Nobody spends nights drawing support resistance level manually anymore. Though this might be news to some, it's simple. You input a query and get a full market analysis in return. Then classic trading. We will trade live step by step and drop a like. I'll send you the first AI request. Okay, the AI is thinking, analyzing everything, charts, news, volumes in real time. Here we go. Let's see what is spat out. First pair, EUR/USD. AI says a sharp drop is coming. Copy the data. Time to claim our money. Let's go. Put the disclaimer. Avoid OTC markets. AI, simply don't see them. GBT is useless here. It doesn't parse these charts. So here's the plan. No overthinking, no warm up. Just take the signals and execute. Minimal theory. Maximum action. Faster and more exciting. The section live on the fly right now. The chart looks juicy. Visually, price is drifting down, gathering energy for a sharp move. I could check lower time frames, candles, volumes, but why bother? I'm just shorting, no fluff. If it goes against me, I'll use a martingale to cover it. For those who are not familiar with the term, martingale is an average in strategy. You increase position sizes on loss to recover on the pullback. Not a holy grail, but like everything in trading, works in skilled hands. I've covered this in YouTube deep dives to save you purist hopping. I've compiled everything into my Telegram channel. Just the essential strategies, lessons, live sessions, and profit tools. Only the good stuff. Yeah, the link is in the description below, so grab it and hit the subscribe. Meanwhile, first profit locked in, killer start, pure dopamine. But we are not going to stop now. Let's pick another signal. Will it work again? Or was that a one-hit wonder? Myth or system? We are about to find out right now. But to keep it professional, I'll break down a couple of contracts, blindly smashing buttons. That's not my style at all. I stand by understanding what you're doing, and you got a golden chance to learn right here. Live trading, real example, catch this moment. It's not every day you get this on the screen. Price is moving inside the channel, and the structure looks like a bearish triangle breakout. Classic scenario. Either a fake pump or sharp dump. Both are golden opportunities for a quick 1-minute trade. If there's a chance, you take it. Key point. Until price breaks the lower boundary, trade carefully. No frenzy, no crazy style. Control is our main tool. Whoa, clean breakdown, and I'm locking in. Beautiful second profitable trade in a row. Even stronger than the first. We are on fire. While everything is going according to plan, let's pause for a thought. Just think how far tech has come. We've optimized trading so much that bots now do the grunt work for us. They plot levels, plot patterns, read trends, all in real time. You just load an asset and get a full breakdown, not a dream, reality. And here's the kicker. I've got one such bot lying around in my Telegram channel. Check the link below. Charts, screenshots, and success stories from traders who've already banked with it. Meanwhile, I'm not slowing down, entering another shot on the same assets. Candles here are textbook, 10-week rejection, aggressive sales, everything screens downtrend, acceleration. Just look at these weeks, absurdly long. These tails are like shockwaves from selling pressure. Violent downward thrust, like the floors cracking beneath traders, feel like the market is dumping their rates, preparing for a crash. This is a tense setup, and there's a strong chance this move continues. Everything is lining up nicely. Well, let's see how it plays out. By the way, here's the thoughts. Have you noticed how often emotions mess with trading? Greed, fear, the urge to revenge trade. It all overrides logic. But an AI doesn't have that problem. It doesn't care. Green candle, red candle, you're up, you're down. doesn't. It just calculates, find an entry, either walk or stay silent. Guys, it's superpower. Mine too, because my trade just got top out cold, even though everything looked perfect. No big deal, no frustration. Back to martingale, 3 attempt max, then we quit. The key is to avoid mindless fatalism. Now, I trade like AI. No panic, no doubt. No what if it reverse. Wait for clear conditions, then hit the button. You should all trade like this, right? Alright, wrapping up these assets. Moving to the next one, still using AI signals. I want to test, do these legendary signals really work with other takers? Or is it just trader fairy tale? Honestly, I've wanted to test this myself. Decided to take a video on it, and like magic, fate keeps closing in my favor. Okay, don't rush to skip this video. Understand that many things I said might sound unclear. That's normal. When I first started trading a couple years ago, my brain was exploding from all this strategy, divergences, and technical analysis. But now, you have a choice. Either go through the same path I did and learn how to trade on your own while burning through all your deposits at early stages, or can start trading with artificial intelligence that provide ready, tested signals and will help you earn, even if this is literally your first day in trading. Together, my team and I have developed a unique software and have put into it my experience multiplied by AI capabilities. This is an application that monitors and analyzes charts 24/7 and gives you 72% accurate signals. All you need is to enter the trade at the right time with the right signal. That's all. Want to know how it works? Subscribe to my Telegram channel via link in the description and I will explain to you everything. And most importantly, you will get this for absolutely free. So DM me on my Telegram. See you guys. And now we continue. Nice. Balance is growing. Time to chat with the AI. Let's squeeze out a few more market insights. Analysis hacks. Next query. Let's try a long for a variety. Keeping sideways market, not worth it. Honestly, not sure if every signal is tradable. But let's take it step by step. Let's take USD JPY pair. More payouts, but workable. One quick trade here. Price is approaching support, lane up trend. Direction is obvious. No overthinking. Those are mechanics, right? Quick disclaimer. AI is a partner, not a magic wand. Forget about wonders. It won't make millions for you. It's an assistant. It handles the grunt work. It still make decisions, set risks, pull triggers that tandem your brain. Thus, compute power is what delivers results. Thanks to that, tapping on 1 minute trade has become easier. I used to miss entry moments. Now OpenAI notifies me. Impulse incoming, indicators have covered, RSI is overbought, volume spike detected. This trade executed so smoothly, almost feel unnatural. Alright, let's switch assets. You're probably yawning by now, so I'll just pick the next one on the list. No overcomplicating, this isn't chess. Don't need to overthink, simple moves, but with way money on the line. I'll skip the Brits and American, payments are tiny, not interesting at all. But yeah, the whole different story. The signal is pointing upward again, and in my opinion, looks confident. Yeah guys, we've got a solid upward movement starting. The price has already tested the level from above, but it seems like they'll shake it up. And next time, it will probably just break through. AI shows the entry and immediately go long. No force, no hesitation. Just open the platform and enter. Sometimes you can even trade completely blind and set the logic, and the neural network places the orders itself. Meanwhile, you can go pour yourself some tea, and here is what's really cool. AI doesn't look at candles. It combines both technical and fundamental analysis. It grabs info from everywhere. Telegram, Twitter news, rumors, reports, even headlines in financial blogs. Profits. I don't even know how it's going so smoothly. Seriously, not even stressing, no brain overload, no shaking hands. I think I've tried this method before, but honestly, I forgot just how easy it really is. Minimal efforts, neither mental nor physical. Click, waited till the profits, still holding long, just taking signals from GBT, using martingale in case of a pullback. All minimal inputs from me. Maximum automation, minimum hassle. Now just imagine you're trading oil and suddenly the word sanction pops up in the news. You have noticed that But the neural network already knows. It tracks info, processed it, and immediately adjusted your risk for Brent or WTI. No panic, no delays, no human. Maybe that's why I respect AI in trading. And looks like the first little trades aren't working out well. Too bad happen. All right, let's add a few more minutes to the upside, but with a hair. Yeah, you can clearly see an ascending wedge forming. A big green candle has already closed, clearly spread the zone. Let me even mark this level. I'll use them as reference. And every time the price approaches them, I will enter on the bounce up. Because at moments like this, there's often an impulse lasting one, sometimes even 2 minutes. The key is not to get overconfident because right after beautiful patterns, all kind of crazy stuff that's happening. No one is immune to the unexpected. To squeeze the most out of this situation, I'm going all in right now. But for you guys, I don't recommend this. Better learn risk and capital management. Money management isn't boring nonsense. It's your shield and sword. I've left guidelines in the Telegram channel. Make sure you subscribe. It's all simple. How not to blow up, but to earn. Well then, contracts are open. Trades are flying. The backside is clear. Proof DPT doesn't let me down. Like a trader analyst and IT guy, all in one. Never sleeps, never forgets. Doesn't break after 2 losses in a row. This isn't an assistance. A weapon. Guys, you're already seeing the first signal of a reversal, and I'm calmly walking. I think the signal was justified. Just draws out a bit, but the movement is clearly going up, which works in my favor. Here comes the support zone, and that's a sign. Now the key is to open contracts in the lower range, not jump in the top of the candle. And then, when the sharp spike comes, I'll already be in. And it will come. Trust me, it's not my first rodeo. The difference is, this time I'm not alone. It's me, my virtual partner, who, by the way, dragged me into this in the first place. Yeah, I feel it. Time to push upward to hold the position. Need to keep balance on activity. Let it be clear that we are not sitting here for nothing. And now, guys, the finale, the best part at the end. Life hacks for both newbies and seasoned traders. If you're just starting, use the neural network as your personal code. It won't let you blow up on silly stuff. It tells you straight, don't enter flat market, dodge news releases, don't overstay in the red. And if you're already experienced, AI becomes a second brain. You see an entry, it confirms. You hesitate, it coldly shows no risk is too high. Drop it, guys. Lock it in. Time's up. That's it. We are done. We checked signals, we broke down trades, and also got a little smarter. So hit that like button, subscribe, and also my Telegram link is in the description. Make sure you subscribe. There's more meat there. So see you in the next breakdown.